Listening, Unit 12, page 152, C.
There are 6 questions in this part. For each question, there are 3 pictures and a short recording. Circle the correct answer, A, B or C. 1. What activity did the friends decide to do?
I feel really unfit. I need to do more sport, but I haven't got time.
I know. I feel the same. We spend hours sitting studying for exams.
Or on the computer when we're not.
Well, why don't we go running for an hour before school?
Running? You must be joking. And it's too cold in the mornings. I think we should go to the gym at the sports centre after class.
But it's really expensive, isn't it?
I'm not sure. The other option is walking in the mountains at the weekend. We have more time for that.
But I often go away at weekends to my grandparents. Maybe we should do something after school.
OK, I'll check the prices at the sports centre online.
2. When will the man leave hospital?
I can't wait to get out of this place. I've been here a week already, but now I'm getting better and the doctors are finally saying that I can leave tomorrow. I'm really looking forward to going home. Mind you, they've said I'll need to rest for 2 weeks, so I won't be able to go back to work immediately.
3. How does the girl think she hurt her shoulder?
I've had this terrible pain in my shoulder for 3 days now. I'm not sure what I did, but Mum says I'll have to go to the doctor if it's not better soon.
It was probably that tennis match last week.
Well, I don't think so, because I didn't feel anything at the time, and I was fine until 3 days ago. I probably slept in a strange position in my sleep.
Well, do you know what I think? I think you've been sitting for too long in front of the computer. It's very bad for you.
Well, yes. I think you're right. I do spend a lot of time chatting to friends or playing games.
4. Which picture shows the boy's uncle?
At school, we've been learning about people with disabilities. It's incredible the way that blind people can understand things just by hearing, touching and smelling things. And people in wheelchairs are really strong and fast. My uncle had an accident, and he moves around with no problem on his own on wheels. I've also got a new friend at school who is deaf. I'm learning sign language to communicate with him. It's amazing.
5. Which part of her body did the woman hurt? It's very painful 2 days later, and I can't move any part of my arm now. If I try to move my fingers, when I'm getting dressed, for example, it really hurts. That's not the area I hit, but even my shoulder is painful. Obviously, when you hit that middle part of the arm so hard, it affects everything above and below that spot. It must be a really sensitive part of the arm, I suppose. 6. What does the man decide to buy?
Oh, this is hopeless. I can't find any clothes I like. This one t-shirt is nice, but they don't have it in my size. I quite like these trousers, but they're too short.
What about these shorts?
Won't it be too cold to wear them?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, OK, I'll have them then. They'll look good with the t-shirts I have at home.
Oh, good. I am pleased.
Listening.